It's so unbelievably compelling, though, that somewhere out there, there's another civilization that may be even more advanced than us. And this thought of it is just so attractive. It's incredible.
2023 has been an eventful year for space exploration, as ESA sent the JUICE spacecraft to Jupiter. India nailed its Chandrayaan-3 lunar mission, and Luna 25 marked Russia's moon landing comeback since 1974. However, amidst these remarkable events, the most astonishing revelation came from NASA's Voyager 1, as it sent a terrifying warning regarding an encounter it made in deep space. This revelation has caught the attention of renowned podcaster Joe Rogan. In a recent episode of the podcast, he delves into the implications of this discovery and its potential impact on our planet. Could Voyager 1's encounter signify contact with extraterrestrial life, or is it simply a result of a system glitch? Let's find out. The Voyager 1 spacecraft has proven to be an extraordinary and enduring achievement in the field of space exploration. Launched by NASA in the 1970s, it has continuously observed and provided valuable insights into the workings of distant galaxies for nearly 5 decades. Recently, this spectacular spacecraft encountered a mysterious force in the depths of space that temporarily disrupted its communication with Earth. This event has sparked widespread interest and generated various theories about the nature of the force or object responsible for the interference. Notably, popular podcaster Joe Rogan has delved into this topic, discussing Voyager 1's encounter in deep space. In this episode of the Joe Rogan Experience, Joe Rogan raises intriguing questions about the shocking encounter and provides hard proof of long-standing alien technology conspiracies. But before we explore the enthralling details of this cosmic encounter, let's introduce you to NASA's Voyager mission. The achievements of the Voyager twin probes have been nothing less than spectacular. Over 40 years ago, these impressive spacecraft shattered preconceived notions about the moons of Jupiter and Saturn. Once believed to be desolate and heavily scarred like our own moon, these moons turned out to be packed with geological activity. Among the twin probes, Voyager 2 achieved several remarkable milestones. In 1986, it became the first spacecraft to journey past Uranus, and a mere 3 years later, it conducted a historic flyby of Neptune, a feat that remains unmatched to this day. As the Voyager spacecraft continues its extraordinary odyssey, NASA has taken various measures to prolong its operational lifespans. By disabling non-essential components and heaters, they have conserved energy, ensuring that these remarkable explorers can continue their mission well into the next decade, with an estimated end date of 2030. For the devoted scientists and engineers who have been part of this extraordinary voyage from its inception, the culmination of the Voyager missions is both a moment of triumph and a touch of melancholy. Their unwavering dedication and tireless efforts have propelled the project far beyond its original expectations. The data returned by the Voyagers has yielded invaluable insights, sparked countless scientific breakthroughs, and ignited the imaginations of generations of researchers and space enthusiasts. The Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 spacecraft are not mere vessels. They were meticulously crafted to serve as stable platforms, with a rotation rate over 15 times slower than the hour hand of a clock. This deliberate design choice minimized motion blur as the spacecraft captured breathtaking images and collected data while hurtling through the vastness of space. Even before their encounters with the outer planets, their remarkable imaging capabilities began to captivate both scientists and the general public. Months before reaching Jupiter, the spacecraft started transmitting images of the gas giant, tantalizing audiences at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory. These early images unveiled the mesmerizing swirls of Jupiter's clouds and revealed the iconic Great Red Spot, leaving viewers in awe. However, it was the discovery of active volcanoes on Jupiter's moon, Io, that set the stage for the Voyager's groundbreaking observations. Io, slightly larger than Earth's moon, emerged as the most volcanically active body in the entire solar system. The spacecraft's instruments detected peculiar signals emanating from Io, which were confirmed by the vivid images they captured. These images unveiled towering volcanic plumes and a surface marked by the ejection of volcanic material. One of Io's most prominent volcanoes, Pele, has erupted to heights 30 times greater than Mount Everest, blanketing an area nearly the size of France. In total, the Voyager spacecraft captured over 33,000 images of Jupiter and its moons, unveiling the planet's breathtaking beauty and the astounding diversity of landscapes within the Jovian system. Before the recent shocking encounter in deep space, the Voyager twins had already made a series of spectacular findings since their launch. One of the most surprising revelations was the existence of Jupiter's rings. Although faint, these rings added to the allure and intrigue of the gas giant. Furthermore, Voyager 2 unveiled that Europa, one of Jupiter's 53 named moons, possessed an icy shell estimated to be over 60 miles thick. These findings defied previous assumptions about the nature of these distant celestial bodies and sparked further investigations into the potential habitability of icy moons. As the Voyagers bid farewell to Jupiter, they received a vital gravitational boost, propelling them towards Saturn and enabling their escape from the Sun's gravitational pull. Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 then embarked on separate paths, each venturing towards new frontiers. Voyager 1's trajectory took it in close proximity to Saturn's moon Titan, a mysterious world cloaked in an orange, hazy atmosphere. The enigmatic nature of Titan piqued the interest of scientists and prompted further studies into its complex chemistry. Afterward, Voyager 1 veered northward, departing from the plane of the planets, and began its extraordinary journey beyond the confines of our solar system. On the other hand, Voyager 2 embarked on a series of expeditions that brought it to the outermost planets of our solar system. In 1986, Voyager 2 executed a historic flyby of Uranus, where it made the remarkable discovery of 10 previously unknown moons, significantly augmenting the moon count of the planet. 3 years later, Voyager 2 reached Neptune, unraveling the extraordinary features of this distant ice giant. During its encounter with Neptune, Voyager 2 recorded wind speeds of up to 1,000 miles per hour, establishing a record for the fastest wind ever measured on a planet within our solar system. As the spacecraft passed within a mere 2,980 miles of Neptune's azure, methane-rich atmosphere, it provided unparalleled insights into this remote world. Triton, Neptune's largest moon, emerged as one of the coldest places in the solar system, with surface temperatures plummeting to a bone-chilling minus 390 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 235 degrees Celsius. Voyager 2's observations of Triton revealed geysers erupting nitrogen gas and dark plumes of material. These findings suggested the presence of a subsurface ocean beneath Triton's icy crust, raising intriguing questions about the moon's potential for harboring life. After their encounters with the outer planets, both Voyager spacecraft continued their journeys, venturing into interstellar space. In 2012, Voyager 1 crossed the Heliopause, the boundary where the influence of the Sun's solar wind gives way to the interstellar medium, becoming the first human-made object to reach interstellar space. Voyager 2 followed suit and crossed the Heliopause in 2018. These milestones marked a new era of exploration as the Voyagers ventured into uncharted territory, carrying with them a message from humanity in the form of the Golden Record. Keep watching to find out about the terrifying encounter reported by the space probes, but here might be the most fascinating detail on Voyager 1: the Golden Record. What is the Golden Record? What does it have to do with the recent encounter? As the Voyager spacecraft ventured into the vastness of interstellar space, they carried with them a unique message from humanity in the form of a golden-plated phonograph record known as the Golden Record. The Golden Record is a captivating time capsule, carefully curated to represent the diversity and richness of life on Earth. It was designed to serve as a bridge between civilizations, an interstellar greeting to any extraterrestrial beings who might one day encounter the Voyager spacecraft. Created under the guidance of a committee led by astronomer Carl Sagan, the record encapsulates the essence of our planet and its inhabitants. What makes the Golden Record truly remarkable is its content. It contains a wide array of sounds and images meant to convey the multifaceted nature of human existence. Greetings in 55 languages, ranging from common languages like English and Mandarin to lesser-known languages like Hittite and Kikuyu, showcase the linguistic diversity that permeates our world. Musical selections from various cultures and eras grace the record, offering a glimpse into the harmonious melodies that have enchanted humanity through the ages. The pieces range from Bach's Brandenburg Concerto No. 2 to traditional Indian raga music and the evocative sounds of Navajo night chants. Natural sounds, such as crashing waves, bird songs, and thunder, provide a sonic snapshot of Earth's diverse ecosystems. These recordings capture the symphony of life, from the gentle rustling of leaves in a forest to the fierce roar of a lion on the African savanna. To visually represent our planet, the Golden Record includes 116 images. These images showcase our cultural heritage, scientific achievements, and the wonders of nature. Iconic landmarks like the Taj Mahal and the Great Wall of China stand alongside images of everyday life and human interaction. Scientific diagrams and mathematical equations offer a glimpse into our quest for knowledge and understanding. They provide a glimpse into the scientific achievements that have shaped our understanding of the universe. The Golden Record is a testament to humanity's insatiable curiosity and deep longing for connection. The team responsible for the Voyager probes firmly believed in the possibility of encountering extraterrestrial beings, and thus, they created the Golden Record as a means of communication and understanding with potential alien civilizations. Soon, we will find out if the recent encounter had anything to do with aliens retrieving information from the Golden Record or a technical malfunction. What are the strategies used that ensured the success of the Voyager missions? The Voyager missions have earned profound respect within the scientific community due to the remarkable strategies and engineering accomplishments that propelled these spacecraft to unparalleled success. Among the key techniques employed in these missions, gravity assist maneuvers played an extraordinary role, elevating them to the status of legendary interstellar endeavors. Imagine the audacious quest of two intrepid spacecraft, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2, as they embarked on a voyage to explore the outer reaches of our solar system. To conquer the vast distances and acquire invaluable data, they required a propulsion boost, surpassing the capabilities of their own systems. Enter gravity assists, the celestial choreography that would save the day. Rather than relying solely on their engines, these spacecraft engaged in a celestial dance with the major planets of our solar system, harnessing the immense gravitational pull of these celestial giants to slingshot themselves toward their destinations. This ingenious maneuver not only conserved precious fuel, but also imparted the necessary velocity to enable the Voyagers to visit multiple destinations on their grand tour. Let's delve into the fundamentals of this technique. Gravity assist, also known as a gravitational slingshot, involves transferring a portion of a planet's momentum to the passing spacecraft. Picture Voyager 1 approaching Jupiter, the colossal gas giant with a gravitational force to match its size. With precision that can only be attributed to the brightest minds at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, Voyager 1 made a precisely calculated flyby of Jupiter, approaching at just the right angle and speed. Jupiter's gravitational force tugged at the spacecraft, propelling it to higher velocities, a cosmic boost that injected the necessary oomph into Voyager 1's trajectory. The execution of this maneuver demanded an artistic touch. An incorrect approach angle or speed could have spelled cosmic catastrophe, sending the spacecraft hurtling off course. The level of precision required is truly mind-boggling. However, the scientists and engineers orchestrating this cosmic ballet succeeded not just once, but multiple times. These gravity assists propelled Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 on a breathtaking journey through the solar system. Voyager 2, for instance, employed gravity assists from Jupiter and Saturn to propel itself towards Uranus and Neptune. These celestial dances were pivotal in enabling the realization of the Grand Tour's ambitions. The Voyager missions would not have achieved their monumental triumphs without these slingshot maneuvers. Voyager 1 ventured into interstellar space, and Voyager 2 expeditiously followed suit, all owing to the exquisite precision of these gravity assists. The concept behind gravity assists may seem simple, but the execution is a breathtakingly complex operation. Voyager 2's grand tour necessitated unparalleled precision. Missing even a single slingshot could have resulted in a failed mission. However, the individuals behind these missions were fueled by unwavering determination and relentless pursuit of knowledge. While the Voyager missions harnessed the power of gravity assist maneuvers to navigate the cosmos, these missions would have remained mere celestial daydreams without another crucial component, the Deep Space Network, DSN. Think of it as the interstellar telephone line that maintained our unwavering connection with the intrepid Voyager probes as they ventured into the great unknown. So, what precisely is the Deep Space Network? It may lack the glamour of a spacecraft, but its significance is equally profound. The DSN comprises an array of colossal radio antennas strategically positioned across the globe, spanning locations such as California, Spain, and Australia. These gargantuan dishes, ranging from 26 to a staggering 70 meters in diameter, function as cosmic megaphones, enabling communication with spacecraft traversing beyond our planet. NASA's Voyager spacecraft has provided groundbreaking insights into the vast emptiness of interstellar space, revealing a cosmic landscape that is both strange and captivating. Beyond the Heliopause, the boundary that shields our solar system, cosmic rays have been found to be 3 times more intense compared to the interior. However, this is just the tip of the iceberg. By combining data from the Voyager mission with information gathered in subsequent missions, scientists have stumbled upon a mysterious humming sound captured by Voyager 1. This strange resonance appears to be connected to enigmatic waves detected in the sparse gas present in the inhospitable interstellar space. While this theory is not universally accepted, there is a significant contingent of science enthusiasts who believe that these bizarre sounds could be attributed to extraterrestrial beings. Although this notion may sound far-fetched, it is worth exploring the compelling arguments behind it. The Voyager missions, spanning over 45 years, have been a quest to unravel the enigmas of our solar system. Yet, the revelations brought forth by these missions have proven to be more chilling than anyone could have imagined. Scientists have now come to realize that Heliopause, far from being a static line, is a dynamic and ever-changing barrier. This peculiar activity has left experts both puzzled and concerned about the future. Moreover, the remarkable endurance of the Voyager spacecraft in temperatures well below their design limits has defied conventional understanding of technological capabilities. These intrepid explorers have not only provided invaluable data on the Sun and its influence on our solar system, but have also forced scientists to question the limits of human-made technology. As researchers merge the data from Voyager with information from other missions, they are beginning to construct models that predict the future transformation of the Heliopause. However, the unpredictable and uncontrollable nature of these forces makes it impossible to discern what lies beyond the boundary of our solar system. Could we potentially encounter hostile forces or face unknown perils? Only time will unveil the answers to these haunting questions. Recent studies on Heliopause have yielded perplexing data, leaving scientists both bewildered and awestruck. In 2014, the Interstellar Boundary Explorer, IBX, observed a brightening of energetic neutral atoms, ENAs, revealing asymmetries in the Heliopause that defied earlier models. This discovery alone was astonishing, but even more remarkable was the analysis of data from Voyager 1 and Voyager 2, which disclosed significant changes in the Heliopause over a relatively short period. This phenomenon, known as entry speaking, has left scientists eager to delve deeper into the mysteries of Heliopause. However, the most mind-boggling revelation occurred in May of last year when Voyager 1's Attitude Articulation and Control System, AACS, began transmitting jumbled and perplexing data instead of the expected spacecraft updates. It was as if the spacecraft had developed a condition akin to electronic aphasia, impairing its ability to communicate coherently. The transmitted data may not reflect any discernible condition, or could have been generated randomly, leaving engineers both puzzled and astounded. In 2025, NASA's Interstellar Mapping and Acceleration Probe, IMAP, will be launched, aiming to unlock further mysteries surrounding the Heliopause and the outer fringes of our solar system. This upcoming mission has researchers and space enthusiasts on the edge of their seats, eagerly anticipating new revelations. However, let us now turn our attention to a spine-chilling incident that occurred in 2019, deep within the Voyager spacecraft, as it drifted through the vast expanse of interstellar space. Despite the peculiar status reports from the onboard systems, the spacecraft's radio signal remained strong and reliable, indicating its overall well-being. But what was truly transpiring within the confines of the spacecraft? NASA engineers soon discovered that the Attitude Articulation and Control System, AACS, was behaving abnormally, transmitting chaotic and perplexing data instead of the customary health and status updates. The cause? A malfunctioning computer that corrupted outgoing data. While the system has been rectified, the underlying cause remains an enigma, leaving us with an eerie mystery to ponder. Imagine the disconcerting scenario of being alone, adrift in the boundless darkness of space, while your own systems malfunction in unfathomable ways. Who knows what other unforeseen events await us beyond the influence of the sun's magnetic field? We cannot say for certain, but let us explore the design of the Voyager probes to understand what the engineers had in mind. NASA's engineers were not dismissive of the possibility of Voyager encountering extraterrestrial life as they charted its course into the uncharted territories of interstellar space. This audacious mission into the cosmic ocean was undertaken with the distinct possibility of an alien encounter firmly in mind. As Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 ventured beyond the protective embrace of our heliosphere, they carried with them a profound message from Earth in the form of the Golden Record. As these bold explorers ventured forth, the prospect of an encounter with extraterrestrial civilizations became tantalizingly real. While the chances of an alien civilization stumbling upon Voyager in the vast expanse of interstellar space were slim, they were not negligible. Space is astonishingly vast, and even at the speed of light, it would take several hours for a signal to reach Voyager from Earth. Therefore, it is plausible that an advanced extraterrestrial civilization might intercept Voyager before we even receive their reply. Just imagine the scenario: an alien civilization deciphering the Golden Record and sending a response. Could this be the very reason Voyager has been trying to alert us with its recent anomalous behavior? Thanks for watching another episode of Beyond Discovery. While you're still here, click on the other videos you see on your screen right now.